Hi everyone, Mrs. E here with this week's weekly spelling video. Spelling one this week is there. Now, there is a homophone. There are 3 different ways of saying there. This is the first. I want to ride my bike over there. So it's suggesting there's a place somewhere near. And if we remember, if it's T-H-E-R-E, there is the place I want to be. Anywhere which is offering a direction. T-H-E-R-E. Where? Over there, not here. Spelling 2, again there. This time it's when something belongs to somebody. I'm going to wash their apron. The apron belongs to the person. So the way to remember it is that I. If there's an I in the there, then it belongs to a person. There's a person involved. Here's a little rhyme to help you. T-H-E-I-R. That's their stuff, their house, their car. So T-H-E-I-R shows ownership. That's their toy. Spelling 3, there again. But this time it's short for they are. With all of those toys, they're very lucky. This time, the apostrophe shows that it's short for they are. When they are is what you need, that's when you use an apostrophe. So the A disappears and it's replaced with an apostrophe. Spelling 4 this week, another homophone. Great. Great. Now this great is when something is the greatest. You are really great at your times tables. 2 different types of grate. There's the grate when we grate our cheese or our vegetables, and there's the grate when you're fantastic at something. Spelling 5 is the other grate. This is the way you grate your cheese. My dad grates lots of cheese for my pizzas. G-R-A-T-E. Okay, so there's 2 different types of grate. Can you complete this sentence now? The boy is going to the playground over. Now, which type of there is it? Which type of there is it? It's T-H-E-R-E. That is the place I want to be. Well done if you got it right. Here's the next sentence. The ladies pick up bags. You guessed it, it's the ladies pick up their bags. But how are we spelling the there? Great job. T-H-E-I-R. That's their stuff, their house, their car. Brilliant. The bags belong to the people. Don't forget you can pause the video whenever you want to write it down. Let's complete the next sentence. Blank going to the birthday party. They're going to the birthday party. They're going to the birthday party. So is it T-H-E-R-E? That is the place I want to be. T-H-E-I-R. That's their stuff, their house, their car. Or is the there short for they are? They are going to the birthday party. That's right. Now, when they are is what you need. That's when you need the apostrophe. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Next one. I hope you put in a something amount of effort into your work today. Now the only other homophone we have is great. But is it G-R-E-A-T or G-R-A-T-E? Well done if you said E-A-T. This is the amount of effort. Make sure you blank some carrot for the salad. Make sure you grate some carrot for the salad. How are we spelling great? Great job if you said Grate. Fantastic. Hopefully you'll get a certificate this week. Good luck when practicing. See you next time.